back to my channel. Firstly, I hope you all are doing fine. And yes, thank you so much for all your love and support to my channel. I have uploaded 2 videos that is related to the APSC, that is Assam History Lecture Series. And yes, I'm not going to stop only with that explanation to the Assam related topics. I have many more to discuss, many things to discuss about. And yes, here today I would like to give you a detailed discussion about the syllabus or APSC examination. Yeah, previously I have done something mistake, that is without giving a kind of detailed analysis on how I will be continuing this series and what are the things that I will be explaining about. And today I am not going to explain you about the Assam history, geography or something subject related. I am here to give you some kind of gist about the syllabus. Okay, in the first, what we have here is in the first paper, that is the preliminary examination. We have 2 papers. Paper 1, it is general studies, and the paper 2. Okay, paper 2 will be, I will discuss in the next slide. Okay, in the first paper, okay, let me change the color. Okay, in the first paper, what we will discuss is about the current events of national and international importance, all the related news, okay, all the related news that is specifically about the current affairs. Okay, this is about the current affairs, specifically about the current affairs. Then in the second part, we'll have to discuss about history of India and the Indian national movement. This will be a kind of huge, okay, huge subject. It consists of 3, okay, ancient, medieval and modern history. So it's gonna be a tough one, but do not worry, I'm here to lessen your burden on this subject. And third, we will read about the Indian history, and the world geography, that is physical geography, social, economic geography of India and the world. And in the fourth, we will discuss about the polity, specifically that is from the Laxmikant book, and the governance, political system, Panchayati Raj and all the political issues. And in the fifth, it's all about the economic, okay, this is all specifically focused to current affairs and issues on environment, okay, this is interesting, and general science, that is also related to current affairs. Now in the second, okay, oh yeah, here we should not forget the 30 to 35% here 30 to 35% questions in general studies paper 1 that will be related to history. That's why I am giving a kind of more focus on the Assam news related to Assam history, geography, okay, so that we can qualify or we can clear this prelims and write the mains examination and clear our interview section. Okay, so let's go to the paper 2. Yes, in the paper 2, what we have is that, this is same slide, sorry. Yeah, in the paper 2, what we will find here is this one. This is also a qualifying paper, okay. We need to get only 33%, that is like, yeah, 66 plus. If you get, then this is a safe zone. You have to get 66 plus, then you will clear. Okay, in the first, what we will have is this comprehension, okay, and skills, some reasoning, maths too, that also class 10 level. This will be discussed in a later stage. Okay, this is for the qualifying. And yeah, let's go to the main section. What we'll find here is, really sorry, serially it has not come here, okay, the syllabus. Okay, let me tell you that in the main section we have got the optional paper 2, that is 2 paper 1 and paper 2. So this both is like total 250, so it will be 500 marks. You cannot neglect this. Okay, here you can get through the mains paper, mains examination, because your 500 marks is not a small thing, right? So since I have graduated myself, so I did my graduation in the political science and yeah, master course also in political science, so I can give you detailed analysis of related to all these things. Okay, do not worry, I will go through all this syllabus in a very precise manner and help you Okay, to lessen your burden on this optional paper, let's just look for a short duration. What we find here in the first, I'm really sorry for this unclear writings, because I have directly downloaded this from the APSC website. It's not clear there, so I have not found any clear syllabus written on the website. So this is the one. Okay, we have to look at it. So first we will find about political theory, about theories of state and justice, equality, democracy, and all this. So I suggest you to go through all these syllabus. Okay, here you'll find many things. It's a huge concept here. Really, it's a very huge, and you have to go through all this, and I'm there with you all. I will really help you all with those things. And this is related to paper 1. Okay, optional paper 1, and here you will find the paper. It's serially not given here. Please be with me. Bear with me for some time. Okay, since I have been using this application for the first time. Serial, I'm not getting everything here right now. Okay, this is paper 1. We have already discussed. In paper 1, what we will find about these two, okay, Indian nationalism and all this. So these are some of the gist which I will be discussing. Okay, so these are the syllabuses. Okay, let me give you an overview. This will consume time. I'm really sorry for this. Okay, let me change the color. Okay, let me put aside this. Okay, as I have discussed that in the prelims, in the prelims we have got the two paper. One is the general paper 1, and second is CSAT. Okay, CSAT, that is the aptitude test. In this second paper, you have to just qualify, getting 33% marks, and then you will be shortlisted for the men's paper examination. And yes, in the men's section, what you have to do is that paper 1 will be consisting of essay, which is 250 marks. Okay, paper 1 will be consisting of essay. Okay, and then you will have in the paper 2 to 6. Paper 2, okay, 2 to 6. What you will find? You will find about general studies, that is related to Assam history, Indian history, geography, Indian polity, constitution. In a short, I have told you this. Okay, then let's delete this. Okay, then what you will find here is in the paper 7. Okay, paper 7 and 8, it is all optional. Okay, just now I have told you that political science will be my lecture relating to the optional paper. And lastly, I would like to discuss about the qualifying paper. That is, we have qualifying paper A and B. You just need to qualify. Okay, the official website has not given how much marks we need to get here. They will decide itself. Okay, here these are the short details I have given. Okay, I have given you all about the syllabus. So this will be my explanation or my lecture series, how I will continue all these things. So I think you will have listened to me in a gentle manner, and I thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to create a platform where I can share whatever I have learned till now, and I'm going to update myself with time and manner. So before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, subscribe to my channel and like and give the comments whatever you want, because without your help I cannot get any motivation to continue this. And since my 2 previous videos have been in a very sound manner, you will have given me a good response. For that, I'd like to thank you so much. And this is how I am going to teach. And yes, with gradual time, I will update myself. And thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.